How to remove a location in Google Maps. Let's get started. Launch your Google Map. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find the Fin option. Navigate to the option Contribute. Different options will appear: Add Place, Update Place, Add Review, and many more. You'll also find the option of Remove Location over here. You have to click on that option. Now, go ahead and select the location that you want to remove. Then you will get the option of Next. Click on it. Then you have to give a valid reason why do you want to remove this place. Also, you might need to add some photos of that place to make Google Maps support team believe that the place does not exist. Once you have gone through these steps, you can submit it. Once you submit it, Google Maps support team will check whether the place exists or not. If the place exists, they won't remove it, but in case the place does not exist, they will remove it. So this way you can remove a location in Google Maps. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.